see what she has in this tent. God bless you. Guys, happy 4th of July. So my baby's gonna build Rihanna her tent. My mother-in-law bought it today. We got a couple of games and activities going on for 4th of July. Hope everybody's having a blessed 4th of July. And yeah, so baby, what you feel about the tent?
I'm gonna say this though. Even though, you know what I'm saying, we celebrate Juneteenth, that's our holiday too. So is 4th of July, because we got black soldiers that died for the Southerns and Northerners during the Civil War. So you always gotta remember, celebrate your people too in every way. It don't matter.
That's right.
But yeah, so we got this little baby tent right here. We're gonna hook this thing up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We ain't grow up on the other side of the track. We grew up on this side of the track. So, you know what I'm saying? We ain't go camping and stuff. We ain't do all that. We just had the neighborhood pool to go to and all that other stuff. So, I ain't never built no tent. So, don't smash me in the comments. But your boy gonna get it done, though, because I know how to do what?
He can do it. He can do all things in Christ who strengthened him. Hallelujah.
Big time, you know what I'm saying? So, we gotta hit that thing up.
So this is the tent.
For all of y'all who don't know, this could be a little tutorial for the dads who know. You know what I'm saying? Me, I'm one of them handy dads who like to fix stuff around the house. I don't like to, you know what I'm saying, have another man up in my crib doing what I could do. God gave you a brain to use it. Yeah, my grandma used to say, use your head for more than a hat rack.
Okay.
So what you do is, you lay the tent out flat.
Okay.
You want to lay it down where the bottom at. Some of y'all kind of figure out where the bottom at. It's usually the one without decorations and it's all bland. So this is the bottom part right here. Hold it all the way up there. See, this is the bottom here.
Yeah, this is a nice size tent, you guys. So say your kids, you know, the little songboard in the house. You can get them a tent. No, Mercedes, Come on, Monty. Hold on. Hold on, y'all.
It's all good.
Okay. Yeah. So he just sliding the rods through there. But don't forget, like I showed you in the beginning, it was like an X on the mat right here. You'll see the top when it folds up. It's very simple.
No, baby.
Johanna, show everybody your trolls. Here, show everybody your trolls you got. Okay, she don't want to be on camera. It's okay. Alright, you guys. Go ahead, baby. Tell them.
Alright, so this is the big reveal.
Here. Ooh! Oh, you love it, baby? Oh, this is a nice size tent. You love it, baby?
So then,
Daddy did great.
Like I said, y'all can see the X. It's really simple. If you don't know what you're doing, like I didn't, I just looked it up on YouTube, checked it out, see how somebody else did it. And it was easy. I didn't really pay attention to the seams because I guess I was overwhelmed by it at first because I ain't never built one, but it's easy. Just unfold your rods. You got the little zip display, unfold your rods, and pop them in them seams. Fall it all the way down. They got these little holders at the bottom, so way make sure that the rod don't pop out with the kid. And you good. That's it.
All right.
And even the bottom zips also. Make sure nothing else crawl in. So you know you can unzip, zip. It's good for little kids because you know little kids need their little space in the house. So I was there.
All right, yay, baby! Awesome.
So my little baby playing with the tent. It's all good. Meant to tell y'all we got a little something special from VR this week. So you know what I'm saying? We got a couple things coming in the mail. I'm trying not to do no happy dance, you know what I'm saying? Y'all won't see that. I'm just playing. So we got a little something special for y'all this week, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you know, be a part of the gang. You know what I'm saying? We in here. We all family. We all people coming up. You feel me? So you know what I'm saying? Y'all enjoy it. Ow.